Here's an 80s classic to take a look at. At Unique Specialty and Classics, 1983 Cadillac Seville. 4.1 liter underneath the hood that is paired up with a 4-speed automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. So nicely equipped like you'd expect an 83 Cadillac to be. And we'll check out the interior, look that over a little bit here, but as you can see, exterior two-tone blue. Now this car has been with the same family for a little over 25 years. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, confirms miles, has a little over 58,000 miles on it. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Is going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look up and down the passenger side here. One thing I wanted to point out, this has had the rust inhibitor applied to it when it was new. You can see these little plug holes are where they would take their spray wand in, spray the rust inhibitor in there. A little bit some paint chips here, but overall you can see very solid. Lower rockers and around the wheel wells. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the rear filler panels do show their age some. There's some cracking going on there, which is quite common on those once they become so old, get a little brittle. Paint shows well for its age. You're going to have some blemishes, little spots. You can see one little kind of a little rough spot on the paint right there. But overall, again, considering the age, paint does show well. And you can check out the still pictures so you can see it from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out. Still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on that link down below this video in the description. If you're watching on YouTube, it's going to take you right to our website. Check out those still pictures. Take a look up and down the driver's side here. Very similar to the passenger side. As far as condition, let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now you can see door panels, nice shape. Again, coincides with the miles, a little over 58,000 miles. Power windows, power seat, both sides, split bench up front. And then take a look at the cloth. You can see minimal wear considering age of the vehicle. And again, coincides with the miles that are on it. The headliner did come down. Consigner of the vehicle said just remove it. So it would need the headliner replaced, FYI. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll take a peek at that engine bay and let you see that too. All right, as far as radio does work, and there's a power antenna. So we're gonna click that. Power antenna, working order. Electronic climate control. There's your exact miles, 58,823. Let's go ahead. Wipers on this one, also working order. Dual speed wipers. Take a look at the rest of the dash. Until the car appears to have been stored indoors. No cracking, weather checking, anything like that on the top of the dash. All right, slip out to the back so you can hear it run. We'll check out that engine bay. Sounds as you would expect. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. Let me get this hood popped. We'll check out the engine bay and wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go, pretty stock looking engine bay. Again, 4100. See, it does have a new alternator, and there is also a battery cutoff, so if you store it in your garage for any time at all, it does have the battery shut off on it. Smooth running, sounds good. There's an 80s classic for you, 1983 Cadillac Seville. Original mile, been in the same family for over 25 years. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.